welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a small local brand. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So super briefly before we do jump into the contents of today's video, I did just want to mention that I have already filmed this video. Unfortunately my SD card got corrupted and I'm having to refilm this. So some of the items have been opened and I have used some of the items, but I do still want to share it with you guys. So it's just not going to be in its perfect packaging anymore. So today's small local brand is called Happy Chimp. Now their website is happychimp.com.au and I do have a sneaky little discount code for you guys. If you use the code Lottie10, it will get you 10% off your purchase with Happy Chimp. So I absolutely love the concept of this company. She is teaching her two young children how to be a little bit more environmentally friendly and just to try and make the environment a little bit nicer for when her kids are older. So I absolutely love it. I love all her reels and stuff on Instagram, so make sure you head over and follow her there as well. As I said, I'll put all the details down in the description for you if you want to go and check her out. So I brought a bunch of items and I just wanted to show you where I'm going to try and be a little bit more eco-friendly myself. So the first item that I knew I wanted to pick up was some labels. So I do have a video coming of my pantry and I have just got my list of labels made. It took me a while because I had to go through my pantry. I had to find out what things I'm using and what I'm not, and then send her off the list, and then I've now just recently gotten it. So I do have pantry labels here that has been made up. So I have specifically requested some pantry labels as well as some herbs and spices. So you will see these in my pantry makeover, which hopefully I'll get up in the next few weeks. Now that I have all of the labels, I can finally finish it off. It's been a massive task and it's taken Morgan and myself a few weeks to get it there. Now she does have label packs listed on her website. I didn't choose any of her packs. I instead went directly to her and asked if she would be able to do my whole pantry and herbs and spices if I send her the list, and she came up with a price and shipped it to me directly. Now she just sends it in a little environmentally friendly little envelope here. So that was the first thing that I knew I wanted, and then I also got some labels for our rubbish bins. Now in my house we have three main rubbish bins. So we have our drinks fridge in the garage, which has a can bin in there so that we can collect all the cans. But the other two bins are in my kitchen and side by side, and people are always asking me which is recycling and which is just general rubbish. So I decided to pick up these little stickers here to put on my bins so that people can determine which one is which. And I did actually just purchase some new bins, so I'll insert a clip of me popping these on and what it looks like. Now these were $12 for the little pack, which is perfect. They're nice and big and easy to read, so I'm very happy with them. The next product I got is actually some eco-friendly pegs. So it comes in this really cute little bag, and that's her little symbol, Happy Chimp there. Absolutely love it. And inside is just some stainless steel pegs. I think there's about 20 in here. So this is what they look like. Now I have actually used these twice already, but I have only used them inside, not outside, purely because where we currently live, there's construction all around us, and so it gets very, very dirty outside. So therefore, if I hung any of my clothes out there, I would have to rewash them. nobody wants to do washing once, let alone twice. So I really think these are super adorable. I like them. They're not rusting at all or anything like that. And I think these were approximately $7.50 for the little bag. Now she actually gifted me these because I purchased before she did her sale. I didn't see the sale notice. So she just threw these in to say thank you because I purchased everything else at a full price. The next item, which I really badly wanted to get, is a reusable cotton bread bag. So it comes in a box like this, and I actually haven't used this one yet, but we have invested in a bread maker. So my husband actually has toast in the morning for breakfast, or he'll have sandwiches for lunch. So he uses at least 2 slices of bread every day, and with the shortages that we were having, I couldn't find any bread, and so we decided to invest in a bread machine. And honestly, every second day I have fresh bread now. I myself don't necessarily eat it. I make some gluten-free bread or something for myself if I want that, but I love having the bread machine. And sometimes my mother-in-law requests a loaf as well, or friends or family. So I think these bread bags will be perfect. Now it comes as a set of 2. I actually didn't realize it was a set of 2. But this is what they look like on the front. So it's just a nice little reusable bag that you can machine wash, and it has the drawstring up here to close it off. Really cute, just nice and basic, which is what I wanted. And hopefully it will keep our bread fresher for longer, because obviously homemade bread doesn't have all the preservatives and everything in it to make it last, so it does go off a lot quicker. The next item I wanted to pick up was some food storage pouches. So this is what it looks like. Now I have a house full of Tupperware. I used to be a Tupperware consultant and manager, so I do use reusable containers all the time, but these pouches just look so good, and I've been seeing them everywhere, and I think these would be really good for like fruit and stuff like that. So I thought I would pick up a set and give them a try. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just got this cute little leaves there, and then it has this piece here which you take off to be able to open and close, and you can wash them and everything, and then you put this, if I could see, you can put this back on to lock it all in place. I do like it also has like some labels there for liquid, so you know what you've got in there. And again, it was a set of 2, so here's the second one. So really, really nice. They feel nice and thick and like good quality as well. So really happy with that, and I'm excited to give them a try. Now I did forget to mention that these are organic cotton, and this was $19.95, so that's the duo bread bag set. And the silicone food storage pouches, they retail for $19.95, but they are currently listed as $15 on her website. I'm not sure if it's still going to be $15 when I'm posting this, so just make sure you double check the price if you're wanting to pick this up. So the lucky last product I have here is the Happy Champ Family Pack Beeswax Wraps. It's taken me a bit to say that. That was a bit of a tongue twister. So this is what it looks like. Now, as I said, I've already opened it, so it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but this is what it looks like. So there's 4 different wraps in here. I think it's got a large wrap, a medium wrap, and 2 small wraps. So basically, beeswax wraps are 100% organic cotton, fully compostable, and made from Australian sourced products. So it's perfect for covering fruit and vegetable, leftover meals, and barbecue food, and the options are endless. So basically, this replaces like Glad wrap. So I'm excited to give this a try because I do use Glad wrap quite a bit for things that I don't necessarily have the perfect size container for, or if it's something quite small. So I really wanted to give these a try and see what I think of them. So for maintenance on this, you simply wash it with cold soapy water after use, and I think that you lay it out flat to dry, and then you are ready to go again for the next time. Now if you need to actually replenish your wraps, they do sell replenishing bars. So I did pick up a set of these as well. So the instructions are on the back here, but basically you put some baking paper down, you put your wrap on top of that, then you grate some of this beeswax on top and sprinkle it across. Then you put a baking paper over top of the wrap again and iron across the top, and it will melt the wax onto it, so then it will become a bit like sticky again. And if you need more wax, you just grate a little bit more on there. So it's really, really cute, and I'm really excited to give these a try. But they look really nice. I like the little patterns as well that she's got. And I did get a little thank you mini one in here as well. So this is what this one looks like, and she just wrote thank you for your order on the back. I did also get a thank you card as well in my order. So I'm excited to start being a little bit more eco-friendly around the house. But let me know down in the comments, have you done anything eco-friendly in your house? Is there anything that you've swapped out? Let me know. I want to know where you guys are trying to help out and where you don't want to. One last thing to note, that Happy Chimp is an Australian only brand at this stage. So unfortunately they don't ship internationally. But if you are here in Australia, then definitely head over to happychimp.com.au. Check out their products. Let me know what you purchased down below, and don't forget to use my sneaky discount code Lottie10 to save yourself 10% off your order. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a bit of a different one. Normally we do makeup and everything, but I do like to share my sort of lifestyle ones with you guys as well, seeing as I do vlog. And I'm hoping to make this a bit of a series going forward and see if I can find other local businesses or Australian owned businesses that are smaller that I can just feature on my channel. So yeah, if you've got one that you would like me to feature, let me know down below in the comments and I'll head over and check them out as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!